welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit glow filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.20. Contrast to -64. Highlights to -68. Shadows to 14. Whites to -31. And blacks to 52. Next, go to Curve. I've made these curves before. You can pause this video to make them. You can also get these presets for free. Just find password in this video. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 55. Tint to 25. And saturation to -19. Next, go to Grading. For shadows, hue to 36. Saturation to 4. And blending to 100. For highlights, hue to 38. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, hue to 5. Saturation to 6. And luminance to 12. For orange, saturation to 6. And luminance to 10. For yellow, saturation to -56. And luminance to -33. For green, hue to 13. Saturation to -74. And luminance to -41. For aqua, saturation to -55. and luminance to -59. For blue, saturation to -55. And luminance to 31. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to 28. And last, go to Detail. Sharpening to 25. Noise reduction to 18. And color noise reduction to 25. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.